In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do an immediate payment from your FNB account to a Capitec account using the FNB app. It's fast, easy, and super convenient. First, open the FNB app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and enter your username and password or use your biometric authentication to log in securely. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the home screen of the app. Look for the Payments tab at the bottom of the screen, or you can also tap on Bank. You'll be taken to a new screen where you can make payments, transfer money, and more. Now you want to select the Pay to Bank account option as we're sending money to a Capitec account. Now enter the recipient's Capitec account details. This include the following: that is account name, bank name, account number, and the amount you want to transfer. Double check that you've got the correct details before proceeding, especially the account number. Now select the immediate payment option to make sure the money goes through instantly. This will ensure the payment is processed and received by the recipient within minutes, 24/7. And there you have it. That's how you do an immediate payment from FNB to Capitec. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.